and welcome back to this week's video of a new series I want to try and incorporate on my channel, which is testing out Dollar Tree products versus other brands in a short 5-minute review. I realize not everyone has time to watch a long form video of if products work or not, and really just want the yes or no answer to if it's worth buying. So for today's video, I am testing out Dollar Tree Mica Powder against the Let's Resin brand of mica powder. I have seen mica powder at the Dollar Tree in the craft aisle, but also in the plus aisles for $3. You see, when I am applying the mica powder, it leaves a lot of fallout and streaks on the mold. I did tap the brush a lot just to get some of the fallout out, and I did try to wipe the edges of the mold to try and get some of the mica powder fallout too, but I don't know how much that is actually working. You still see a lot of the streaky lines, and it still looks foggy here too. I thought maybe after I put the resin in, which is also from the Dollar Tree, maybe it would help fix any of these issues, but I don't think it did. And 24 hours later, you can see that the mica powder gives off a cloudy look, and you can still see the fallout from some of the mica powder around the edges of the mold. But to Dollar Tree's credit, I have used their mica powders for mixing in with resin and pouring onto a project or mold, and it looks a lot better than this. Moving on to the Let's Resin mica powder, when applying it onto the mold, I could already see that there was a difference. It has more sheen to it and seemed to cover the mold and not look so opaque. Let me also jump in here to say, for future videos, if you want to see something reviewed from the Dollar Tree crafts, please comment below and I will add it to the list. There are so many times I walk around Dollar Tree and wonder if something is really worth buying or if I should just try the pricey brand. So let me save you some time and test it out for you against another brand and see how it compares. Truthfully, after doing this craft, I realized I should have stuck to using the same resin color and have 2 white paw molds, but I really wanted to try the brown powder and see how it would look up against the black paw prints. After seeing them side by side, you can really tell the difference between the mica powders. The Dollar Tree paw is really cloudy, and you can see the mica fallout when the Let's Resin powder looks clean and you don't see any streaky lines. But for this video, I'm going to have to say that the Let's Resin brand wins for painting with mica powders. Thank you guys so much for watching this review, and don't forget to like the video. It lets me know that you like this 5-minute quick review, and subscribe to keep up with all the other Dollar Tree related content and crafts I put out weekly on my channel. See you next week!